Hello ladies and gentlemen, Real Life Fishing, welcome back. We are at Bayfront Park today. We're gonna head out, maybe go to Ocean Reef, try to get us on some couple snappers, so maybe we can do something for the Super Bowl tonight. Super Bowl is tonight, today is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. There's only 4 of us today. 4 of us gonna get them. You bring some dinner home, right? We're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna just chill, relax, have some fun, and see if we can catch a couple. All right, let's see when we out there. He's on grunt. You got him. He's on the grunt. Okay, let's stop these grunts and let's get some snappers. This is Biscayne Bay. We can't keep you, buddy. Yeah, we can't keep him. That's Biscayne Bay. We're gonna throw him back. Let's get some snappers. I came for mangroves. Okay, we'll find. We'll stay here for a little bit and we'll see if we can get some mangroves off this. And we'll move around. We're at Ocean Reef, so we're gonna be able to find some mangrove snappers. So we're gonna hang out here, see if we can get on a couple. And pretty quiet today. A little windy. I plan on going offshore, but a little breezy. Say nah, just hang out, catch some mango snaps, have some fun. And got Super Bowl tonight, so we get back, cook some ribs and chicken wings and have a good time. So we'll hang out here and fish here a little bit. And then we'll move around, see what we can find. All right, so let's see. Let me check my rod real quick. This is real life fishing, y'all. Sometimes we gotta go around and find these bad boys. Gotta find them sometimes. Real life. Come on. Things are grunt. Skeeting across the water. Another grunt. It's Biscayne Bay, so we can't catch the grunts. Can't keep the grunts. But it's a grunt. I didn't come here for grunts, so we're gonna reassess our situation soon. Mommy's on something? Mama's on the grunt? Oh, he fell off right there. Oh.
I let him go.
You let him go?
Yes.
Mommy's fishing today. We got Mommy fishing today. We know we can catch fish now. When Mommy fishing, we know you can catch fish now. We gonna get into him now. She never fish. So now we're gonna get into him. Mama's on a bite. I told you gonna get him. I knew it. Mama's on a bite. He took mama's thing and bent it over. Let's see what he is. Bent it over. Oh, he got off. Oh. Huh?
I said this is spot number 2.
It's spot number 2. Mama got the first bite. Mama was bent over. He got off. That's okay. We won't get back on him. He better not get on mine, I tell you that. I get him. Well, I ain't playing with him. He might have messed with mommy, but he won't mess with me like that. All right, guys. Spot number 2. We're here. We'll try to spot out a little bit. See what we can get. Look like offshore ain't that bad. I mean, looking out there, it's a little breezy, but I'm looking out there. It don't look too bad out there. So you never know what I might think of. Don't look that bad. All right, but you can't tell from here. Nice snapper. That's what I'm talking about. That's a snapper right there. That's a snapper. But I don't think it's legal. You just not quite legal. I think it's quite legal, but nice size. At least we catch something that looks decent. Not quite legal, but we'll throw them back. At least we catch something a little bit decent. Cause boy, Mama told you, Mama, get on. The one who don't fish. Did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? The one who don't fish. The one who don't fish is the one that catch all the fish. I'm gonna get my pole. My mommy on her pole like she catching all the fish over there. Let me see what's going on here. I ain't get a bite here yet. I got one little bite when I first started, but I got a pool. I got a pool. Did you take it off? Wow. Trying to clean my hands a little bit so I can get on this poor man food. Salt and potato chips. That's poor man food, y'all. I am poor.
I want to fish.
All right.
I am fish.
That poor man. Now you on? God dang, how nasty you know I ain't getting no. I just threw yours out. Hold on. Hold down. Oh.
You're gonna get fish juice in your soda.
Hmm?
You're gonna get fish juice in your soda.
No.
Yeah, lock in.
Grunt, we locked in.
Wait, I'm gonna go.
Everybody locked in but me. I'm gonna be eating snacks. Everybody getting pulled, I'm eating snacks. Time me to lock in now. I'm gonna eat snacks. Huh? They casting back. I don't know what. They casting that. Mommy casting that side. Nash cast back. Go that way. See what happens. We'll do the chips in me real quick. I'm gonna lock in. All right. I'm gonna lock in. Oh, lock in. I missed him. I want to lock in. I want locked in. Got a grunt? I'm gonna lock in with a grunt. Locked in with a grunt. Go back, Biscayne Bay. Everybody locked in but me. Yeah, I see some fish, but yeah. Everybody locked in but me, man. What's going on here? Everybody locked in. I'm the only one that ain't locked in. Who don't fish, just tan them up. Tan them up with that thing. Person who don't fish, all in it. Ooh, what's that, snapper? What's that, grunt? That's a big grunt. What's that, a big old porgy or something? That's big, whatever it is. Like a big grunt. Man, what kind of big, giant, goofy grunt that is?
It's a big oka
Hold on,
fish.
take this right a second. Turn like that. What kind of big, goofy grunt this is? I ain't seen this big gooky fish. That's a big gooky fish, yeah. Mommy locked in, man. Look at that gooky. That's a big gook. I don't know what that is, but I'm throwing back.
Oh, bye. Please
I don't know what he is. Well, he gooky though. He's on. He's on again. Got a snapper. Ooh, they get bigger. Who's gonna lose that one? Oh, they get bigger. Small too.
You keep it in the water.
Yeah.
It's too small.
Think so?
Yeah.
He's a grunt. Kill you on?
Yeah.
I got a grunt. Mommy got a snapper. I don't know, Mommy. Mommy got a snapper. Maybe. Let's see. I got yours. Got a grunt. Oh, you're getting bigger though. Yeah, I let him go. He's getting bigger. He's getting bigger. All right, guys, we are over here on some reefs in about 15 feet. We're gonna try here a little bit, see if we can get something. And then we're gonna probably around like maybe 2 o'clock we'll head back in, go get ready for Super Bowl tonight. All right, so we're trying here for now. We're about 15 feet. Let's see if we can get some off this reef. We'll head back in. We came out of Ocean Reef side. You know, this is my first time really coming from that side, but you know, you gotta get out there and explore sometimes. In daytime like this, a good day, you gotta get out and try to explore and try something new. Can't be scared all the time. Mommy's on a schoolmaster.
Teach you in the ways of school. That's right.
He's on a schoolmaster. Out here over the reefs. Mommy's on the first bite. Mommy tan him up today, man. I ain't getting nothing today. Schoolmaster gotta go back. Beginner's luck. So Mommy's on the schoolmaster. Alright. I don't know what it is, but she's on them. She's back on again, just like that. Yeah, you on again. You on. I see it. I see it right there.
Another schoolmaster?
That's a grunt this time. Are you on again, just like that there?
Oh, grunty.
Yeah, a little grunt. Just like that. She catching so fast, I can't even get my pole in the water fast enough.
Do you want me to wait for you?
No. Keep fishing.
Can't wait for me.
All right, so yeah, man, you got your own fast. I can't get in the water fast enough. Well, you try to hang me up. I don't know what it is though. It better be something good. It's pulling me like this. Pulling me like this, like a mutt. That's a. Yeah, baby, real life fishing. How's the mutton? The mutton for your mama. Got nothing? Fell off or stuck? He stuck you up. I'm on something though. Right here. Right here, I'm on something right here. He's pulling deep. Like a poke, yellowtail poke for you.
Oh, what the heck?
Big porgy.
Oh, why does it look like that? What you got?
Big porgy.
Why does he look like that? He's a big bird.
Big porgy. Who you guys going for in the Super Bowl? Kansas City? Taylor Swift in Kansas City or Philadelphia? I like Philadelphia. I'm going Philadelphia. I think Philadelphia gonna get that. Saquon Barkley and Jalen Hurts gonna get it. I think so. We never know. Let's see. Kansas City will cheat.
Where are you going for, Caleb?
Philadelphia, all day.
No one.
All day.
No one.
Alright guys, I gotta keep him. Yellow jack. Not very big, but he's a yellow jack. But he's a keeper. I'm gonna show you right now. Not very big, he's a yellow jack. That is a yellow jack. He's a keeper. That's one for the boss. Mission accomplished today. We want to keep, well, one keeper so far. Big hope.
Oh dang, that's a big one. That is a really big one.
Got a big hope.
Mama, you want to see?
I can't grip him.
Oh wow. It's a hog.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Awesome.
He's not a keeper, but
No, but
Gonna be
what
awesome.
happened last time?
How big is that?
16 is.
Oh,
There's a hoagie.
At the fort.
The fort, yeah. We'll throw him back. Dude. Skeet him. Remember we're fishing in?
Whatever.
I'll tell you what's that. Alright guys, give me
The grunts here are like gold.
a hog and a mutton. That's a big mutton too. Put my hog back in the water so let him swim a little bit. I don't want him to die. Mama got a nice mutton over here. Woo! Homie's on fire.
Whoa.
Homie's on fire. Oh, he's too small though. But you don't. Mommy's on fire today. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Just calm down. Mommy's on fire. I know. I got a hog on him. See, I ain't want him to die because he's not legal. But he's big, but he's not legal. I don't want him to die. Straight back. Huh? Take my spot.
I figured it out.
Just like that. You figured it out? Come on, man, fight that thing. You stuck with what? You stuck it?
No. It's hard to ride.
You stuck it or what? Where you at? What did I do?
Not even sticky.
Where you at? Let's see his face. Come on, man, you fighting ghosts.
Yeah. Ow.
Yeah, you on too?
Oh.
Just sitting there looking at your thing.
Oh.
You pop it? Yeah, looking at it.
Good, I thought it was, I'd rather love it.
Look
God.
at that.
I thought I love it.
Caleb, I mean, man, what you want, man? You fighting a ghost or what? Man, where you at?
I'm just getting really tired.
Fight like a man.
Man, come on.
My hand's getting
Man,
tired.
fight that fish, man. Stop playing. Fight like I'm getting tired. Man, get that fish up here, man. Wind down, wind up. Let's go. Man, I don't know, man. He might need him, man. I don't know. He might acting like he can't get this thing. Hold on now. Bring it around him. Bring it around him. Shoot, man. I ain't see his face yet. You tell him, dog. You got one, mommy?
I don't know.
Look at this camera.
I know.
That's
We got
it.
mutton.
You got a mutton, huh? Ooh, look at that mutt. You got one?
I don't know. Where's the net?
Hold on. That's me. Hold on. Sit down. Sit right there.
That's a ghost.
Sit right there. You fighting a ghost. That's a nice mutt. Hold it now. Hold it, kid.
Getting tired.
You stuck?
Stuck me.
Stuck it. That's a nice mutton, though. Nice job, Nash. It's a nice mutton. Not how to keep, but it's a nice mutton. Nice mutton. We're throwing back, though. It's not a keep. Mommy, stuck you? All right.
It almost got cooked by
The
Yellowtail.
other tail.
Yellowtail almost cooked him.
Tried to. Not big enough. Go back.
It was
You
pretty
get scared of
decent.
one stuck. Oh, yellowtail? Well, we're catching everything from yellowtails to grunts to everything. chubs and everything. Catch everything out here. Catch everything.
Fishing for no one tour.
Now we catching everything.
Their absence.
Yellowtail. Goes back. Too small. All that ballyhoo out there. I might try to get some of those. Might trying to get some of those ballyhoos. They get a little close to the surface. Hog heavy.
Awesome. I love this spot.
Where's spot? It's a good spot. It is a good spot. What you got? What you got?
Let me see you.
Is that a hog?
No.
That's a mutton.
It's not a hog.
That's a mutton though.
It's not a hog.
You want a hog? That's a nice mutton though. Ain't nothing wrong with that mutton though. My theory right?
Yeah. You're gonna share your theory or no?
I don't know, I got 5 more weeks.
I mean, with your audience.
Oh no.
It's a secret.
Secret. They probably know the secret. They probably, it's not really. It's my theory just out here right now. Ah, dang. Let's swallow this thing. Can't save them. I can't save them. I can't get the hook out. Can't see the hook. All right. What we're gonna do is. Ooh, got me. He
You
got
okay?
me. Yeah.
You bleeding?
I don't know. Maybe. All right, everybody. We're gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching this video again. We had fun. It was a fun day hanging on the water. It's getting better and better the longer we stay out here. Like the day is getting nicer and nicer. But it was fun. We caught a lot of fish, had a lot of hard pulls, and we had some laughs. It was just the 4 of us, but we had a lot of fun today. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment to this channel. Thank you guys for all your support, and have fun watching Super Bowl tonight. Stay safe. Peace.